This is how you can easily make 100 pips or more a day using this system. Look at this trade, Euro Yen 20-minute chart on the 19th, 65 pip. Here's my sell entry and SL move to break even, right? And this is a system for short. Yellow has to be below the black, and this indicates all the way up, coming down. Price has to make lower high. Few conditions, and you pull the trigger. And look at this. The next trade is on the 19th as well. Aussie Yen, same setup, same conditions, right? Sell order here. And then you can see on the 20th, just the opposite. For long, conditions are the opposite. This is the buy order here. And you can see it is for 50 pip on the 20th. And on the 20th, EURCAD also long for 90 pip. Here's my buy order. And then today, so far, I closed this one, pound yen, sell order for 65 pip. And I have three more running right now, right? And, I may end up break even, hit my SL hit a break even, or may, get some pips out of there. But yeah, so it is, you can see that every day more than 100 pip, easy. 2 trades and you have 100 pip or more. Sometimes even 1 trade. Sometimes in 2 trades you can come, you come up with like 200 pip. So this is the beauty about the system. It is very easy. Yes, there are a few things to learn and understand, and after that, it becomes very easy walk in the park. Okay, so if you want to learn about the system and get a hold of it, so go on my website, and let me see if I have it here. Where's my website here? Google. I think this is my website here. No, this is Facebook. What? Okay, here's the website, right? So here you go, and you can subscribe yourself and be a part of it fast, and get a hold of the system, set up the charts. I'll help you over the Zoom, Skype, whatever I have to do. And let me see what the heck is happening here. Okay, so this is a website here, and you can use this button here, subscribe. If you need one-on-one coaching, it's available here. I will be teaching you online, personally, over the Zoom, every single thing, what you need to learn to become master of this Forex market as well as the system. Okay, so like I said, these are the 5 trades so far I have into this week, and they're already more than 300 pip. Of course, I have a couple of SL hit, maybe around like 70-80 pip. You can manage that from there. So this is how it is. Like I said, if you want to learn more, just click the learn more button, go on my website. You have thousands of trades over there, just like that, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.